Did you know that how you cook your vegetables can make or break their health benefits? You might think you're eating healthy, but small cooking mistakes can strip away nutrients and even reduce their flavor. Stay tuned because I'm going to reveal 10 ways you might be cooking your veggies wrong and how to fix them with science-backed methods. Overboiling vegetables is one of the biggest nutrient killers. For example, boiling broccoli for too long leaches out water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins into the cooking water. The longer it boils, the more nutrients are lost. Did you know? Up to 50% of vitamin C can be lost by overboiling. Vitamin C is highly sensitive to heat and water, so prolonged boiling causes it to degrade and escape into the cooking liquid. The same goes for other water-soluble nutrients like folate. Instead, try steaming. Steaming preserves up to 90% of nutrients by avoiding direct water contact. Steamed broccoli not only retains its vibrant green color, but also its health benefits. Steaming also ensures a better texture and taste. Skipping a thorough wash might leave dirt, pesticides, or bacteria on your vegetables. This is not just unhealthy, it can interfere with your gut health and overall well-being. Many vegetables are grown with pesticides or exposed to harmful bacteria in soil and water. These residues can linger even after harvest. Always rinse vegetables under running water and scrub if needed. For leafy greens, soaking them briefly in a vinegar water solution can help remove bacteria and residues. This simple step ensures you're cooking with clean, safe produce. Many vegetables store a significant portion of their nutrients in their skin. For instance, potato skin contains fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. By peeling them entirely, you're throwing away the healthiest part. The skins of vegetables are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and supports gut health. They also contain phytonutrients like flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants. Leave the skin on when possible, especially for root vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and beets. If peeling is necessary, keep it minimal to retain as many nutrients as you can. Just be sure to wash the skin thoroughly beforehand. Using excessive oil not only adds unnecessary calories, but can also degrade sensitive nutrients like vitamin C under high heat. Overcooking in oil may also form harmful compounds. When oils are heated beyond their smoke point, they break down and release free radicals, which can be harmful to your body. Nutrient-sensitive vegetables also lose their health benefits under such conditions. Opt for sautéing with a splash of olive oil or using non-stick pans. If you're roasting, toss your veggies lightly in oil instead of drenching them. This keeps the cooking healthy and flavorful. Chopping vegetables into tiny pieces increases their surface area, leading to faster nutrient loss during cooking. Vitamins like A and C are particularly sensitive to air and heat. Exposure to oxygen, oxidation, and high temperatures destroys delicate vitamins and phytonutrients. Smaller pieces also lose moisture quickly, altering their texture. Cut vegetables into larger chunks to minimize nutrient exposure and retain their natural texture and taste. For stir-frying or salads, uniform medium-sized cuts work best. When you boil or blanch vegetables, their nutrients seep into the cooking water. Throwing it away means throwing away valuable minerals like potassium and magnesium. Water-soluble nutrients dissolve during cooking, so the water contains a significant portion of the vegetable's health benefits. Reuse the cooking water in soups, sauces, or smoothies to make the most of those lost nutrients. This way, nothing goes to waste, and you're getting all the goodness vegetables offer. Exposing vegetables to extremely high heat for prolonged periods destroys heat-sensitive compounds like antioxidants and vitamin C. It also reduces their natural flavor. Antioxidants, such as polyphenols, degrade at high temperatures, losing their protective benefits against oxidative stress in the body. Cook on medium heat to preserve delicate nutrients while ensuring even cooking. Stir-frying is an excellent method for retaining both flavor and nutrition without overcooking. Did you know that adding a splash of vinegar or lemon juice can boost nutrient absorption? Acids help break down cell walls in vegetables, making nutrients like iron more bioavailable. Iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, is less absorbable than animal-based iron. Acids convert iron into a more absorbable form, enhancing its bioavailability. Enhance your veggies with a touch of acidity. It's a simple trick that enhances flavor and health benefits. Add lemon juice to greens or balsamic vinegar to roasted veggies for a nutritious kick. Cooking without a lid lets steam escape, meaning longer cooking times and more nutrient loss. This is especially true for water-soluble vitamins. Cooking with a lid creates a closed environment where heat circulates evenly, reducing cooking time and nutrient degradation. Cover your pot to trap steam, reduce cooking time, and preserve those essential vitamins. This method is particularly helpful when steaming or blanching greens. Some vegetables, like garlic and broccoli, need time to develop their health-boosting compounds after chopping. For example, garlic forms allicin, a powerful antioxidant, when exposed to air for a few minutes. Allicin formation is a chemical reaction triggered by chopping or crushing garlic. Immediate cooking halts this process, reducing its health benefits. Let chopped vegetables like garlic and broccoli sit for 5–10 minutes before cooking. This small wait can significantly boost their health benefits. Cooking vegetables the right way isn't just about taste. It's about unlocking their full potential to nourish your body. By following these 10 science-backed tips, you can enjoy healthier, more flavorful meals every day. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to make your meals healthier and tastier.